Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with all of you guys a Amazon haul or a opening box video of the things I've been purchasing lately. And most of the things are for things I've purchased for my birthday and for my son's birthday that is coming up. So yeah, I'm filming for the first time ever also on my iPhone 12. So let's go ahead and get right into this. Oh, I hope the audio is good as well. Here's the bubble wrap. These are so cute, you guys. These are like the little baskets like this. Maybe a lot of popcorn in here. These could also be like the candy boxes because they're pretty big. They're a pretty good size. This ring toss game, it looks pretty small and it's so lightweight. So I'm hoping it's not that small, but we want to play family games, and I thought this one would be kind of fun to do. And they only put 2 things in this big box, but I guess because they have to like put the bubble wrap in there. I'm gonna try this on like right away. This is like a bridesmaid dress, or I don't know, night dress. This is what the dress looks like. I got the size medium, and I got green because I've never had a green dress before, and I've wanted a green dress forever. For the center table, I want to put some flowers, so I'm going to be putting these, and it's 2 different branches. So I'm going to put like a glass jar, I don't know, put that in the middle there. And I got some balloons, and these are pink, rose gold, and white. I'm hoping it looks pretty because I got these pink ones as well. I was so happy that it came with this. If you guys don't know what this is, you're going to put this in your fingers. You're going to inflate the balloon, and it's like an easier way to tie it. That can be a bit tiring. It comes with balloon glue, like the glue dots. I also got these, this is a 60-pack rose gold plates, like the dinner plates, the center plate, and it comes with spoons, forks, and knives as well. 12 dinner plate, 12 salad plate, 12 knives, 12 forks, 12 spoons, a total of 60. Oh, lots of glitter there. So these are gonna light up. I'm just gonna open one. See, and they already have batteries. Look at that. What is this? This is a chair cover. Oh, okay. I got the chair covers, these covers for the chairs. I'm not sure if you can see, but it's gonna cover the whole chair, and then you tie them down on the end of the legs of the chair. So I know there's people out there that want to see the quality of what the phone, how it records, and I also want to see if it's recording well, if it's good quality or not. So I got a different garland for my son's birthday. This is gonna be Mario, and it looks like they have more, well, maybe probably the same, the balloon glue or the glue dots. This is yeah, green, blue, yellow, red for Mario. I got these covers. For my birthday, I got the bows, but for his birthday, I want to put some covers on the chairs, like around the chairs. And then I got some white curtains for the living room. They're pretty heavy, you guys. I'm very happy to put these on. I'd probably do that right now. I really want to see what they look like. There's a couple more things here. This is for this, also the center of the table. For my birthday party, I want to put this on the table. I got like this fan. Let me show you guys. This I do want to. It's pretty thick too. Wow, it looks pretty good. Bright color, good feel there. There's a phone case for my husband's phone. I think it's just like a plain black. Pin the tail on the donkey, but this is pin the little M on Mario. So I got this big old tissue or ribbon or gift wrap because I'm going to be making a piñata. Oh, I did end up getting it. It's rose gold. Okay, these are the bows that I was telling you guys about. Oh, they look pretty. They didn't have rose gold. And it does stretch, so you can put it on the table, like inside, in the chair, sorry. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Stay tuned if you guys want to see like how I'm going to be decorating everything, because I really don't know how it's going to all work out. We'll probably be posting this video soon because I want to see what the quality of the video looks like once I post the video on YouTube. So yeah, thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. I hope that it was helpful in any way. I'll leave the links of all the things I purchased in case you're also thinking of buying like things for for a birthday party or anything like that. Thanks for watching. Take care, guys, and we'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye.